time. Let me try to get an algorithm that's just perfectly there. I'm trying to get like a white cross or something, like a little guy. I'm almost a white cross. Yeah, I might have to do like some new algorithms. Maybe down the T shape. Maybe we can try to get like a green coffee. Look here at the side. There's blue on these sides. White, here. There's 3 blue, 3 white, and 3 yellow with the subway. Let's try to get a blue cross. Okay. It might need some algorithm, so we're gonna do like this algorithm. It's actually a pretty cool algorithm. Whoopsies. Now this part, it's gonna be part 2. It's gonna be a little bit longer because I may have to do this algorithm like many times in order to get like some sort of tournament. There we go. Now we just need to do a little bit parody. We're going to like do 2 this. Then we're going to like turn this. Let's turn this. Oh, guys, sorry about the sub. It's been 2 minutes. So bye, guys.